What's up, my shooting stars? It's Chase the Star. Today I'm going to be making an unboxing and review video of a Matchbox car after a long wait, and it is Rainmaker. And without further ado, let's unbox this Matchbox car. Alright guys, here is Rainmaker, and also, before I review it, you guys can do this to the Matchbox car, but I kind of don't know what that is. If I would have to take a guess what that is, I say it would probably, the water comes from over here, I think, and the water is in here, I think. Maybe, I could be wrong, but anyways, here is Rainmaker. It has the word Rainmaker right here, and it has some raindrops right there. And it has 2 seats right there. And here it is on the other side. Look, this is a pretty decent Matchbox car. Anyways, let me just put it back to normal. There we go. But this Matchbox car was honestly really cool. Alright guys, so that wraps up this unboxing and review video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.